Hello, we will be talking about Agile methodology today. So, Agile methodology is a modern, flexible approach to product management and software development. It focuses on people, collaboration, and adaptability, helping teams deliver high quality results faster with less stress. Instead of waiting methods and months to release on a big product, Agile teams deliver value in short cycles known as iteration or sprint. So basically in sprint, what they will do is like they will work in a team of 10 or less people. Like it will be something around 9 to 10 people. In that there will be one product owner, one scrum master, and remaining will be developers. So if once we talk about developers in a scrum team, it means like we are collaborating testers, developers, as well as like UI UX designers. So everyone apart from product owner and scrum master who is working for a software team and a scrum team are known as developers. It's not necessarily that they should be software developers, so don't get misled with this term. Apart from that, like we'll talk about agile mindset. So agile is more than a framework, it's a mindset. It's an umbrella concept actually. It's about teamwork, transparency, continuous improvement, teams focus on working software, customer collaboration, and responding to change quickly. So what is the guiding force behind agile? There is something called Agile Manifesto, which was created by 17 people, and the main people who were like the who played a pivotal role were Ken Schober and Jeff Sutherland. Along with Ken Schober and Jeff Sutherland, 17 people gathered and they created Agile Manifesto. It gives us four values and 12 principles. So the combined bunch of four values and 12 principles is called Agile Manifesto, and all the frameworks within the Agile is the umbrella concept. So we have XP, stream programming, TDD, test driven development, Crystal, Kanban, Scrum. Out of that, Scrum is the most popular one. Kanban is also popular, but that is more popular in the field like automobile and manufacturing and production domains. So this was the short introduction about Agile. Thank you. Signing off.